I'm going to show you how to use Multicam with Nice Touch, so you can edit your Multicam sequences with a Nice Touch automatically, really quickly, in the same way as you can with all other footage. Right, so I'm in Premiere, I've got my Nice Touch open here. First thing I'm going to do is set up a Multicam clip, or a Multicam sequence, or timeline, whatever it's called. I'm in Premiere, works the same in Resolve, so we're going to right click, we're going to create a Multicam resource sequence, we're going to mix it with audio, we're going to sync it with audio, blah, 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 all that stuff. And boom, we got our multicam. So we've got our 3 tracks, 3 angles. We've got the audio as well. This is my good audio on this one. And then you can see it, we've got different angles for what I shot. So what we're going to do now is go over to Nice Touch. I've made a project for this, and I'm going to click this new button, which is to import from the NLE. So it's going to go and find Premiere. And then in here, I can see all of the media that's inside Premiere. So you can use this to import as well, but actually, this is the bit we want. So we're going to actually deselect all those. We're going to select the multicam clip. It's a different type of thing. It's not a video. It's its own thing. Then we get another option. We've got to choose what audio we want. So this is the audio that it's going to use to analyze. And I shot this with one camera, had a good audio, had the clip mic, and then the other 2 had pretty bad audio. So I don't want it to pick up those. But I know that it was this clip that has the good audio. So I'm going to basically do the analysis based on that. If you had multiple clips, if you had like mics on different cameras or stuff, you can mix them together. So you could click like multiple. But I kind of think that these ones are going to confuse it because it was really windy and terrible audio on those. So we'll go with that. And then we're going to confirm and analyze. When that goes in, it will pull out the audio and then do the rest of the analysis. There we go. It's completed the analysis and we can see some details about it. So A and B speakers A and B, which will be me interviewing, and then person I was interviewing. That's the word, silences, duration, all of this stuff. So great, we can jump over to the chatbot and start chatting to it and say, tell me about the content of this interview. So here we go. Yeah, this was for an outdoor brand, and it was talking about outdoors, going outdoors and doing sports with kids and stuff like that. So we've got the full context of it, got all that stuff, and we need to create an edit for this. So, okay, I need a 2 minutes. You all right?
I had a lion bar.
You had a lion bar? How was that?
After swimming.
Yeah? What makes it a lion bar?
Because I've done so well at swimming.
Yeah, okay. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Can you close the door, please? Where was I? All right, yeah, I need an edit. So these are the type of things that interrupt edits, and why we made Nice Touch. So, okay, I need a 2-minute edit of this. So we're going to say that, and it's come back with some questions. So this is a recent addition as well. If there's not much to go on, it's going to ask you some questions about what should be. So let's go with personal story and kids outdoors, casual, and general philosophy. So we'll go with that and see how it gets on. There we go. We've got our edit, and what's it said? Yeah, we've got the final thing. Looks about right. 2 minutes. So there is one thing you've got to do in Premiere. You don't have to do this in Resolve, but you have to basically right-click on these and go multi-camera, enable, and then you've got the option to like switch between the different cameras like that. So this is something I want to do actually, and this is the great thing about multicam is if we go into here, we go in, open in timeline, and then this 5D stuff was 1080. So if I go into that, go into my effect controls, double the size of it, and it should be fine. And then I can just go Control C and then Control Alt V, I believe. Okay, and then that will be like rippled across. So we go back to our sequence. Now our close-ups have the right stuff. So let's have a little listen.
It's that like, and here I am in the world now. Yeah, I mean, like growing up, I was outside, like, and that kind of nature-based like imagination and play. I don't know, maybe it's just imprinted on me because I.
Yeah. So what we've got now is an edit that's ready to go. Obviously, we can still go and like make our changes and all that stuff, but we can very quickly go through these different sections, change the angles on them, 1, 3, 2, 1, whatever. So you've got close up, wide, mid shot. So yeah, you can go in and change those as you want to, and obviously you can make those cuts as well and do some sort of different things as well, different angles, move things around. But the brilliant thing is you can then like do this again. It will be the same multicam clip. Like it's pointing at that one. So it's pointing at the original multicam thing you've got. So any changes you make in there, any color correction, any sound, all of that mixing, all that, whatever you want to do, it's going to ripple through to every single edit, and any future edit that you do with Nice Touch will be picking up from that multicam clip, whether you're in Resolve, Premiere, or whatever. So let me know what you think. Get started, download the app, give it a trial, and let us know what you think.